we're going to make a powerful liquid fertilizer that can transform the way your garden grows. This one doesn't take weeks to work. You'll start noticing results in just a few days. It not only feeds your plants, but also revives your soil, filling it with millions of beneficial microbes that make it fertile, soft, and full of life again. The best part is that it doesn't require fancy ingredients or expensive tools, just a few simple items you already have at home, and within 24 hours it'll be ready to use. We'll begin with something unexpected: charcoal. Yes, the same charcoal used for cooking, but we're not using it as it is. We'll crush it into small pieces first. When crushed, its surface area increases, giving more room for air, water, and nutrients to settle in. Imagine breaking a sponge into tiny bits. Suddenly, there's more space for good things to cling to. Once crushed, this charcoal becomes the foundation of something called biochar. Biochar is not new. Farmers have been using it for thousands of years to keep their soils rich and fertile. What makes it special is its ability to hold nutrients and water, releasing them slowly over time. It improves soil aeration, allows roots to grow deep and strong, and provides a home for billions of friendly microbes that protect plants from disease and make nutrients easier to absorb. It even helps the planet by locking away carbon. After crushing the charcoal, we'll put it into a few empty 5-liter bottles. These bottles will act as small microbial factories. Fill them with the crushed charcoal, then pour in non-chlorinated water. Chlorine in tap water can harm microbes, so it's better to use rainwater or water that's been left standing overnight. This clean water gives the microbes a safe environment to grow. Next, we'll add molasses, the dark, sweet syrup left from sugar production. To microbes, molasses is like an energy drink. It fuels them to grow and multiply quickly. Think of it as throwing a feast for microbes inside the bottle. Now it's time to invite the guests: fully decomposed manure. It's already full of living microbes hard at work in nature. When we add it to the mixture, these microbes start feeding on the molasses and multiplying. As they grow, they settle into the tiny pores of the charcoal, making it their permanent home, safe, moist, and full of nourishment. Close the bottle, but don't seal it completely. Make a small hole in the cap so gases can escape, since the microbes release carbon dioxide as they grow. The hole also allows oxygen in, helping the right kind of microbes thrive. Give the bottle a good shake so everything mixes well, then set it aside. In the next 24 hours, something remarkable happens. The microbes feed, multiply, and colonize the charcoal, turning it into living, active biochar. When you open the bottle after a day, you'll notice a pleasant, earthy scent. That's the smell of life. Before using it, pour 1 bottle into a bucket of water and mix well. This liquid is strong and concentrated, so diluting it makes it gentle enough for your plants and helps it spread evenly in the soil. It's like turning a potent medicine into the perfect dose. When you pour this around your plants, you're doing much more than feeding them. You're awakening your soil. The microbes immediately get to work, breaking down organic matter and unlocking nutrients that plants couldn't reach before. The biochar holds onto nutrients and moisture, preventing them from washing away. Your plants will respond quickly, growing faster, looking greener, and producing more vibrant blooms. When you use this in a new garden bed, it enriches the foundation for everything you plant later. The soil becomes full of beneficial microbes, holds water longer, and stays naturally fertile. Over time, you'll need less chemical fertilizer because your soil will start creating its own nutrients, just like a living forest floor. In just 1 day, using charcoal, molasses, manure, and water, you'll create a living fertilizer that keeps giving back. It's more than a quick boost. It's a way to build strong, healthy soil that continues to nourish your garden naturally. Your plants will thank you with lush growth, brighter leaves, and deep, thriving roots.